Tired of buying air fresheners that lose their scent fast or simply don't work? No need to worry. We have the perfect solution. Check out the amazing ScentBagz Air Fresheners. We manufacture high-quality air fresheners that really work. We've gained an outstanding reputation for our incredibly strong, long-lasting aromas. They're perfect for your vehicle, bathrooms, bedrooms, closets, lockers, and much more. We have a variety of unique and great-smelling fragrances for you to choose from. Our quality is second to none, and ScentBagz Air Fresheners will leave you wanting for more. Try one today. Visit our website now at www.scentbagz.com to order yours exclusively and join us on social network. It's time for you to experience a powerful, long-lasting scent that you will love.
We don't believe what's on TV because it's what we want to see, and what we want we know we can't believe. We have all learned to kill our dreams. I need to know that when I fail you'll still be here. 'Cause if you stick around I'll sing you pretty sounds. Some will make money selling your hair, and I don't care what's in your hair. I just wanna know what's on your mind. I used to say I wanna die before I'm old, but because of you